Welcome to Session 43 of Grade 11, Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study sine, cosine, and tangent graphs. The focus is to identify amplitude, period, midline, and asymptotes in trigonometric graphs. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Read amplitude from sine and cosine equations. 2. Read period from the b value. 3. Describe tangent period and asymptotes. Trigonometric graphs are functions made from circular motion. Sine and cosine repeat smoothly. Tangent repeats with vertical asymptotes. For y equals a sine bx plus d, or a cosine bx plus d, amplitude is the absolute value of a, period is 2 pi over the absolute value of b, and the midline is y equals d. Analyze y equals -3 cosine of 2x plus 5. The amplitude is 3, so the graph moves 3 units above and below its midline. The midline is y equals 5. The period is 2 pi over 2, or pi. The negative sign reflects the cosine graph over the midline, so it begins at a minimum instead of a maximum. The tangent parent graph has period pi and vertical asymptotes at pi over 2 plus k pi. For y equals tangent of 2x, the period becomes pi over 2, so the asymptotes occur more frequently. Your turn. What is the amplitude of y equals -8 times the sine of x plus 2? Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Amplitude is the absolute value of a. Sine and cosine period is 2 pi over absolute value of b. The midline is y equals d. Tangent has period pi and vertical asymptotes. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.